Hello everyone, and welcome to the official AdmitJet channel. We value your feedback greatly. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the real reviews and questions our users have shared about the AdmitJet Armor electric dirt bike, addressing these points with detailed responses. Part 1. Power modes and performance enhancements. First, some users noted that the AdmitJet Armor's low power mode felt somewhat limited. What many may not know is that the Armor also offers a high power mode. This mode significantly increases power output and top speed, enhancing the riding experience overall. For those wanting maximum performance, we recommend using high power mode in suitable riding conditions. With 4 selectable gears and a reverse gear, this electric dirt bike provides the right setup for various terrains and riding styles. Maximum continuous power, 72 volts 20,000 watts. In 2023, the AdmitJet Armor was upgraded to a more powerful motor. While the 2022 model offered a maximum power of 12,000 watts, the new version delivers even greater power and high-performance support. Here's a breakdown of the latest specifications. Battery maximum output voltage ranges from 84 volts to 92.4 volts. Battery peak output current. We can estimate peak power using the power calculation formula. Power P equals voltage V times current I. With the battery at maximum voltage, 92.4 volts, the calculated peak power would be P equals 92.4 volts times 300A equals 27.720 West or 27.72 kilowatts. However, the nominal peak power is rated at 25.2 kilowatts. This discrepancy is likely due to power loss factors, such as resistance or a controller setting that caps peak power for safety. These considerations bring the actual peak power slightly below the theoretical value. Thus, the 25.2 kilowatts peak power is a reliable nominal value, taking efficiency and stability into account. With high voltage, 92.4 volts, and peak current 300A, the AdmitJet Armor delivers a robust, instant power boost when you need it most. The motor's continuous output power stands at 20,000 watts 20 kilowatts, meaning it can deliver strong, stable power over long durations in regular conditions. For an electric dirt bike, 20,000 watts provides ample driving force, supporting challenging terrain, steep inclines, and extended off-road riding, giving riders powerful acceleration and climbing capability. Max torque, 1,000 Newton meters. Let's talk about the massive 1,000 Newton meters maximum torque. This torque level is a game changer for off-road riders, delivering strong traction for climbing steep slopes and overcoming rugged obstacles. Whether it's a rocky path or a muddy hill, the AdmitJet Armor's high torque keeps you moving forward with stability and ease, giving you a powerful off-road experience. Detailed torque calculations and performance analysis. To better understand the driving force, let's break down the torque and transmission system that make this bike such a powerhouse. Motor peak torque T, 60 Newton meters. Primary reduction ratio, 2. First gear ratio, 3.27. Front and rear wheel ratio, 3. Mechanical efficiency, 0.85. Tire radius. The tire has a diameter of 18 inches, meaning the radius is 9 inches, or approximately 0.286 meters. Calculation process. Total gear ratio calculation. Total gear ratio equals to times 3.27 times 3 equals 19.62. Amplified torque calculation. Amplified torque equals 60 Newton meters times 19.62 equals 1,177.2 Newton meters. Considering mechanical efficiency, actual torque equals 1,177.2 Newton meters times 0.85 equals 1,000.6 Newton meters. Driving force calculation. By dividing the actual torque by the tire radius, we get the driving force. Driving force F equals 1,000.6 to a 0.2286 approximately equals 4377.30 for north. With a driving force of approximately 4,377.34 and in first gear, this bike delivers outstanding traction. This strong driving force enables the bike to tackle steep climbs and handle complex terrain smoothly, making it ideal for serious off-road enthusiasts. Some customers mentioned that there were deficiencies in the suspension system and controller of the 2022 model. We took this feedback very seriously and made significant improvements in the 2023 model. AdmitJet Armor will increase the current limit of the controller from 500 amp to 600 amp in 2023. This update will improve vehicle performance in many aspects. 1. Enhanced power output. Higher instantaneous power. The increase in current allows the motor to achieve higher instantaneous power output. At the same voltage, a 600 amp controller can provide more powerful power than a 500 amp controller. This improvement is particularly helpful for acceleration, hill climbing, and high-load off-road performance. Stronger torque output. Higher current means the motor can produce greater torque, improving the vehicle's low-speed traction, especially when starting off or climbing a hill. This makes AdmitJet Armor more capable of handling challenges on steep slopes or rugged terrain. 2. Acceleration performance improvement. Faster starting acceleration. After the current is increased to 600 amp, the controller can deliver current to the motor faster, thus shortening the acceleration time. This means that the vehicle can reach the ideal speed in a shorter time, improving driving responsiveness and control. Smoother power curve. The higher current capacity allows the controller to provide smoother power output during acceleration, reducing power interruptions caused by insufficient power and making the driving experience smoother. 3. Enhanced adaptability. Better high-load adaptability. Under high-load conditions, such as off-road driving or high-speed driving, the performance of the 600 amp controller will be more stable. This upgrade allows the controller to better withstand frequent current spikes, reducing the likelihood of overheating and reducing the risk of power drops. Wider riding means. For riders who like to do extreme off-roading or climbing, the 600 amp controller can better meet their needs, providing stronger traction and power support. 4. Optimization of battery management. More efficient energy utilization. Through the optimized current output curve of the controller, the battery output can be managed more effectively and unnecessary power consumption can be reduced. This means that with the same battery capacity, the efficiency of actual use is improved. Battery temperature management. Higher current means the controller needs to better manage battery temperature to prevent overheating. Therefore, controller updates may also include optimization of the temperature control system so that the battery can maintain a relatively stable temperature during high current output and extend battery life. 5. Should improve the ultimate performance of the vehicle. High-intensity off-road scenes. After the current limit is increased, AdmitJet Armor can perform more stably in difficult off-road environments. For example, in scenarios such as climbing steep slopes and crossing obstacles. The 600 amp controller can provide stronger power output to the motor, allowing the vehicle to cope with these challenges more calmly. Higher top speed potential. The 600 amp controller makes the vehicle's power output more abundant when driving at high speeds, thereby further increasing the ultimate speed of the AdmitJet Armor, bringing it closer to or reaching the design top speed. This upgrade can effectively solve some of the problems related to power output and acceleration response mentioned in the following user feedback. The 600 amp controller upgrade allows the motor to draw higher current instantly, providing smoother and more powerful power output. This improvement has significantly improved acceleration response and torque performance, and can solve the problems of unstable power output and slow response caused by the 500 amp controller. With a higher current capacity, the new controller can better control the throttle response, making the acceleration process smoother and reducing the interruption of power output. After upgrading the controller from 500 amp to 600 amp, AdmitJet Armor has been significantly improved in terms of power output, acceleration performance, adaptability, battery management, and extreme performance. Here is some user feedback. The 600 amp controller provides a higher peak current output, which means the vehicle can obtain greater torque and traction when climbing steep slopes or dealing with complex terrain. The higher torque gives the vehicle sufficient power support at low speeds, which is especially suitable for climbing hills and complex off-road scenes, thereby improving the user's riding experience in these scenes. The 600 amp controller better adapts to power requirements under high load conditions. The original 500 amp controller may suffer from power attenuation or overheating under long-term high-load conditions by increasing the current capacity. The 600 amp controller reduces power loss under high-load conditions and improves riding stability. In addition, optimized current management can also improve the energy utilization efficiency of the battery and extend the battery life to a certain extent. The 600 amp current limit of the new controller allows AdmitJet Armor to perform better in off-road conditions and get closer to the ultimate design performance. The positive feedback from these users proves that the controller upgrade has indeed improved the overall performance of the vehicle, especially the stability and strong power in complex off-road scenes, and can provide extreme sports enthusiasts with a better riding experience. The controller upgrade addresses many of the key issues reported by users, including acceleration response, torque output, high-load adaptability, battery management, and extreme performance. Some upgrades have also been made to the suspension system AdmitJet Armor. Use high-performance shock-absorbing materials. Use high-quality shock absorber springs and multi-stage adjustable hydraulic shock absorbers. In particular, materials with strong impact resistance and adaptability to complex terrain, such as special alloys or carbon fiber composite materials, can effectively extend the suspension life. Added shock absorber damping adjustment function. The introduction of a multi-level damping adjustment function allows users to choose the appropriate shock absorption effect according to different terrains and riding styles to avoid chassis collisions. Providing independent high and low speed compression adjustment can help absorb shock more effectively in different terrain conditions. Replaceable suspension components. The modular suspension system is designed so that users can replace the suspension components by themselves. This not only improves maintenance convenience, but can also be upgraded according to needs, choosing heavy-duty suspension suitable for high-intensity off-roading or soft suspension suitable for relaxed riding. Added spring preload and rebound adjustment options. Added spring preload and rebound adjustment to help users adjust freely according to weight, driving speed, and terrain, improve the vehicle's ground-keeping performance and stability, and reduce the occurrence of bottoming situations. Conduct stress testing and reliability optimization. Strengthen the stress testing of the suspension on rough terrain and optimize the design of the suspension system to ensure its stability in long-term high-intensity use. Environmental testing that simulates rough terrain can be included during the design phase to ensure the durability of the suspension system. The controller is now more stable and the suspension system has been strengthened to handle difficult terrain, resulting in a smoother off-road experience. For new users, we recommend adjusting the suspension settings according to personal needs to experience the best driving experience. Section 3. Battery range and charging time. Battery range is a common concern among users. AdmitJet Armor offers multiple battery options to suit diverse needs. The standard 7.3Ah battery reaches up to 100 miles, while 60Ah and 50Ah batteries provide more cost-effective options. For those looking for longer rides, the Quick Swap feature enables battery replacement in just 60 seconds, so you're always ready to go. Under ideal conditions, flat roads, mild temperatures, and a constant low speed, the 7.3Ah battery can achieve its maximum range of around 100 miles. When riding at lower speeds, such as 20 to 30 kilometers per hour, with minimal acceleration and braking, energy use is reduced, extending the battery's life. The 7.3Ah battery can thus perform close to its theoretical maximum, giving you more time to enjoy the adventure. We've also upgraded our battery management system AdmitBMS, optimizing discharge efficiency and balancing cell usage. The latest model uses a more efficient brushless DC motor, reducing friction and heat loss. Future enhancements will include lighter materials, such as aluminum alloys, to reduce the bike's overall weight. Low rolling resistance tires and maintaining proper tire pressure will further improve performance. Additionally, we've upgraded the energy recovery system, converting braking energy back into the battery, which extends your ride during deceleration. AdmitJet Armor also supports a fast 2.8A charger, recharging the battery in under 3 hours so you can quickly get back to riding without long waits. Section 4. Throttle control and suggestions for improved response. Some users mentioned that the standard throttle felt a bit stiff. For smoother throttle response, we recommend that users with the 2022 model consider upgrading to the electronic throttle, available for an additional $10. Our latest 2023 model comes with the electronic throttle as a standard feature, a small change that greatly enhances the riding experience. Section 5. Gear system improvements and simplified shifting. Some users find the geared transmission system cumbersome, especially when shifting isn't always smooth or feels unnecessary. Most riders prefer using a single gear most of the time. To address this, we've optimized the gear pre-selection system with automatic gear recognition. This feature automatically selects the ideal gear based on speed and torque, reducing the need for frequent shifting while ensuring smooth power delivery for all terrains. For straightforward terrains or light off-roading, we recommend setting to a fixed gear like 4th gear to reduce shifting needs. For complex terrain, switch to multi-gear mode for better adaptability. We've also refined the synchronizer design to ensure smoother shifts, reducing clunkiness and impact, especially at low speeds. The lower gears now deliver higher torque, helping with climbing and initial acceleration while minimizing shifting requirements. This lets riders maintain a higher gear for smooth cruising in most conditions. In the 2025 model, we've introduced a gearless direct drive version with a rated power of 5 kilowatts and a peak power of 25 kilowatts. It operates without shifting, offering even better performance and simplicity. These updates make the gearing system smoother and easier to use, providing a more seamless off-road experience. Many users have raised questions about the durability of the AdmitJet armor. We've addressed these concerns by using a Q345B and 6061 forged aluminum alloy frame designed to provide reliable support during rugged off-road adventures. For components that may wear out over extended use, we offer replacement parts and recommend regular inspections and maintenance to extend the bike's lifespan. Some users have reported power shutdowns due to front-end impacts. In response, we've improved the power management system and controller in recent models, adding enhanced protections to ensure more reliable performance during intense off-road rides. For the suspension system, we've increased adjustability to deliver a smoother riding experience. We've also strengthened the transmission system in the AdmitJet armor, ensuring reliability for both daily and off-road use. The gearbox design has undergone quality upgrades to enhance durability, specifically in challenging terrain. Our manufacturing process undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee the long-term durability of each component. Additionally, we offer quality assurance and after-sales support to ensure that every customer enjoys a premium riding experience. Some feedback described the gearbox as a toy-like component, particularly due to shifting concerns. The AdmitJet armor was designed to offer a high-quality off-road experience at an accessible price point, not as a racing model. Our 4-speed transmission system is intended to add versatility to rides, while recent improvements have enhanced smoothness and durability to meet a range of riding needs. We value user input on the engineering design, as it helps us refine the balance between off-road performance and agility. Each product generation incorporates user feedback to drive continuous improvement. To address concerns about consistency with test results, we've prioritized third-party testing to ensure optimal performance. Feedback from users has driven advancements in control and suspension systems, resulting in better stability and overall performance in recent models. In terms of pricing, our goal is to strike a balance between performance and affordability, enabling more users to access a high-quality electric dirt bike. We also apologize for delays in delivery that some users have experienced due to high demand and production capacity limits. We're committed to improving supply chain efficiency to ensure that customers receive their orders as quickly as possible. To address these challenges, we've implemented several improvements. Supply chain optimization. We're working with suppliers to stabilize the supply of batteries and key components while increasing inventory to manage peak demand. Enhanced inventory management. Efforts are underway to reduce production and transportation lead times to meet global market needs. We're continuously optimizing our supply chain to minimize delivery delays, ensuring timely product availability for customers. Part 6. Center of gravity and handling performance. We understand that stability and control are critical for off-road riding. To address this, we have improved the vehicle's center of gravity in the latest model, enhancing stability even on complex terrain at high speeds. We'll continue to listen to customer feedback to refine handling performance and provide a safer, more comfortable ride on any terrain, addressing configuration concerns. We recognize that durability and part quality can be important concerns for customers when considering a purchase. To address this, we've implemented the following improvements. Detailed specifications. Our product manual now provides more specific details on major components, such as suspension systems and transmission parts, helping customers make well-informed decisions. Enhanced durability. We've strengthened the transmission system to increase its longevity and reliability under extended, high-load conditions. Improved after-sales support. Our expanded support plan ensures that any configuration-related issues are promptly addressed. We're committed to transparency, allowing every customer to understand the vehicle's components and performance before purchase to boost confidence in our product. Customization options. In addition to high performance, the AdmitJet Armor offers extensive customization options to meet your personal style. We provide customizable choices for frame colors, decals, and accents. Whether you prefer subtle matte shades or bold, bright designs, we can tailor the look of your electric dirt bike to match your preferences. Simply contact us to start the customization process and make your AdmitJet Armor uniquely yours. Exceptional value and competitive pricing. Performance and pricing are crucial considerations in this segment. The AdmitJet Armor offers exceptional value for an electric off-road bike priced more than $3,000. It delivers outstanding range, power, and durability with a peak power of 20,000 watts, 7,3Ah battery capacity, and a top speed of 125 km/h, all at a much more affordable price compared to similar models in the market. Other electric dirt bikes with comparable specs often cost $5,000 or more. Yet, the AdmitJet Armor not only provides high performance, but also includes a 4-speed transmission, reverse gear, and quick-swap battery system, making it versatile for both off-road and everyday use. For budget-conscious users who still seek high performance, the AdmitJet Armor is a top choice. Thank you for your support. We're grateful for everyone's interest in the AdmitJet Armor. Each piece of user feedback allows us to improve and enhance our design and customer experience. Whether you have questions or high expectations, we're here to listen and strive to offer the best possible products and service. If you have any further suggestions or questions, feel free to comment or reach out to our customer service team. Let's create an even better riding experience together. Please share your experiences in the comments and help us keep improving.